Hello guys, welcome to the Miss Leakey's page once again, and today we're going to learn the letters of the alphabet. So we have 26 letters and we're going to use the Leapfrog Fridge Phonics. Okay, so now we're going to try all the letters with this Fridge Phonics and then we're going to listen. Okay, so let's start with this one.
A. A says A, and A says A. Every letter makes a sound. A says A, and A.
Next.
B. B says B. B says B. Every letter makes a sound. B says B.
Good.
C. C says K, and C says K. Every letter makes a sound. C says K, and D. D says D. D says D. Every letter makes a sound. D says D. E. E says E, and E says F. Every letter makes a sound. E says E, and F. F. F says F says every letter makes a sound. F says G. G says G, and G says G. Every letter makes a sound. G says G, and G. H. H says H says every letter makes a sound. H says I says I, and I says I. Every letter makes a sound. I says I, and I. J says J. J says J. Every letter makes a sound. J says J. K says K. K says K. Every letter makes a sound. K says K. L says oo. L says oo. Every letter makes a sound. L says oo. M says mm. M says mm. Every letter makes a sound. M says mm. N says mm. N says mm. Every letter makes a sound. N says mm. O says O, and O says ah. Every letter makes a sound. O says O, W says W. W says W. Every letter makes a sound. W says W. X. X says X. X says X. Every letter makes a sound. X says X. Y. Y says Y. And Y says